Want to add a like button to your blog posts? In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple like button using Google Forms. First, head over to Google Forms, create a new form and name it something like Articles Like. Next, add a short answer question with the label article title or URL. This will help track which article got the most likes. Now let's add the like button on your blog. Open the HTML editor to begin. Paste this code where you want the button to appear. Replace the placeholder with your form's ID and the entry ID. Before we move on to the like button itself, we need to get the entry ID. Open the developer tools by right-clicking on the page and selecting Inspect. You'll see something like this. That's your entry ID. Copy the number after entry. It's time to test the like button and see how it functions. Click on it and observe the response. To set up email notifications for when someone clicks the like button, go to the script editor by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. Paste a small piece of code to get email alerts whenever a like is submitted. You can also modify the message and subject as you like. This code grabs the values from the form, like the article name, and sends an email to your specified address. To set up a trigger, click on the clock icon in the toolbar on the left side of the editor. Now, every time someone submits the form, the script will run and you'll get an email notification. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Blogger tutorials.